Welcome. In front of me is a Infinix Hot 11, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, open up Settings. From here, navigate to Storage, tap on the three dots on the SD card and select Format. This gives you a message that formatting erases all data on the storage, so if there's anything there that you'd like to keep, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. And for everybody else that has already done so or simply doesn't want to back it up, all you need to do then is proceed by selecting Erase and Format. So we'll begin a process which only takes a couple seconds, and it should be right about done. There we go. So click on Done, and there we go. It's now completely finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.